I'm Gabriella, and I would love to invite you to a practice of coming into collaboration and partnership with nature. My passion is to teach and show ways of living collaboratively with our own inner nature as well as the outer nature, which is plants, animals, spirit of place, spirit of time, land, earth, and everything really, because underlying everything is an intelligence, a matrix of life that has information for us that if we align with it, we can really live in much more harmony and create sustainable ways of living and sustainable societies. So nature really has found and developed the answers and ways of being for everything that we can think of. It is ingenious. It has a wealth of everything that we need, abundance. And for any society that has really lived in collaboration with nature and has lived in alignment with the matrix of this intelligence has been sustainable for thousands and thousands of years, like the indigenous cultures and societies. It's only when societies like ours are stepping out of that and relating to nature in a usury way, in a way that dominates and really exploits, is that we see the problems that we are seeing and facing today, which ultimately has always led to the end of that society or civilization. So, but even now, in this society that we are in, we can reconnect to this matrix and learn ways of being in this sustainable way, so that we're like feeding the imaginal cells of a society that lives in harmony with nature and the earth. And so that's why I would like to invite you to this exploration and deepening, listening, hearing, being with, and communicating with nature in this beginning of this 4-part series that we're starting with. To really practice that and learn that and face and look at whatever it is stopping us and our collective from going there, so that we kind of clear the pathway for that possibility. And we will do that through practices, through exercises, through meditations, through attunements, questions, explorations. So I would love to invite you to that and look forward to this path of greater coherence. So, see you there.